Hi, this is Zak Mir, editor of Spreadbet Magazine, with a look at some bulletin board hero stocks on Tuesday, July the 15th. And I'm starting off with Afriag, where we can see the positive consolidation of recent weeks at and above the 50-day moving average at 0.44 pence. Looks to be gathering pace. End of day close above 0.6 pence, which is the post-June resistance, should be enough to trigger an acceleration to the upside and a move towards the top of a rising February price channel at 1 pence plus. We're also backed by an RSI support line running through the neutral 50 level, and the shares are still not too overbought in terms of the oscillator. Next up is Castleton Technology, where we see that there's been decent moves within a rising February trend channel based at the 50-day moving average at 0.99 pence. The implication here is that we've probably done enough on the consolidation front towards the 1.2 pence area to allow the shares to make a new move to the upside. The favoured destination at this point is the top of this year's price channel at 1.8 pence. The target could be hit as soon as the next 1 to 2 months, or perhaps even sooner if we can break this 1.2 pence resistance over the next few days. Coming up after this is Oilex, where it can be seen that we've got decent consolidation after the one-touch rebound off the 50-day moving average at 6.15 pence. All of this happening within a rising trend channel from the beginning of last year, the top of the channel heading towards 9 pence. And the implication here really is that while there's no breakback below the 50-day moving average, we should see the 9 pence target hit as soon as the end of next month. There's also an extended RSI trend line here running through the 50 level, and that should provide positive momentum over the near term. New stock in terms of the bulletin board heroes comes in the form of Richmond Resources. Here we've had day two of a strong push to the upside. End of day close above the 200-day moving average at 2.96 pence looks to be significant, as is the rising November price channel with its resistance line projection heading as high as 6 pence. Any weakness over the near term back towards the June peak at 2.75 pence looks to be a buying opportunity, with early and end of day close back below that, delaying the upside scenario in coming weeks. Finishing off with Bowleven, where we're still waiting on a decent push here to the upside. It looks as though the consolidation is near to complete, although there could be a dip just below the 50-day moving average at 37 pence. The stop loss really back below 35 pence as we await a top of February price channel target up to the 50 pence level over the next 4 to 6 weeks. But probably no hurry to get into this situation, and you could, if you're cautious, wait for an end of day close above the 20-day moving average, currently at 39.5 pence, before going long. That's it from me. More updates at spreadbetmagazine.com.